So let's talk tools. Let's talk about the angle grinder. This DeWalt has been a faithful friend. I've used and abused her for about 10 years now. Probably one of the handiest tools that you can purchase. You don't know how much you use them until you don't have one, which is what I found out today. I was using old DeWalt and she was getting really hot, and I thought, man, I'm gonna have to go get my gloves. And then she just quit. Nothing. Checked the breaker, plugged it in another socket. No, she's dead. Kind of a sad day. You served me well, DeWalt. So, rest in peace. So I went down to Harbor Freight, and you know they were closed. So then I went to Tractor Supply, and they had this Porter cable. Price is right, $29. So I'm gonna do an unboxing here. So first thing, which is cool, is you get a abrasive wheel, a spinning wheel of death. So that's pretty awesome for $29. And what else we got in here? Got your handle, extra handle, which is good. I use that sometimes. Got a wrench, which is really good because I lost my other one a long time ago. And then, let's see, instructions. We don't read those. So here she is. She's got the guard on here. Yeah, I can't do it one-handed, but yeah, it's removable, and you know that's gonna come off. Because safety, who needs that? I have to tell you, she feels pretty good in the hand. Nice and hefty. Let's see. Good action on that switch there. I like her. So, here she is, $29.99. Porter cable. Hope she serves me well.